Hey guys, so I'm here at CB Smith Park. I just got here with my niece Kinaya. My mom's back there, and today is Saturday, November 5th, and we are here for the Hillary rally campaign, or campaign rally, whichever one makes more sense. Anyways, so she's scheduled to speak at 1 p.m. So super excited to see her, and of course hopefully it doesn't rain out because it is raining. That's mom. You guys remember mom? We just passed security. This is what it looks like right now. Hopefully the weather gets better and it doesn't pour. I'm totally wearing sandals and my feet are already wet and they're definitely gonna be muddy. Okay, so it was raining a little bit. It stopped raining. Now it's like really muggy in here. Are you hot? So I think Hillary should be up in like the next like 40 minutes or so. But right now we're just here hanging out. At least it stopped raining, right?
Very grateful to her for her commitment to make America a fairer, safer, better place. Thank you. Quickly so you guys can see, and that's where the stage was at, and it was filled of people everywhere. Of course it's now over, everybody is going home, and everyone is here in the tent kind of just waiting.
Hey guys, so we just left right now, and we're actually gonna be going down here on tap. As you can see, we're soaked, but we had a great time. Mom, you had a good time?
Great time, great time.
We're about to go get something to eat. Definitely go out and vote, guys. Go out and vote.
Yes, Bob.
Talk to you guys later. Bye.